Can I get an FIR registered against my wife and her family members? This is a question posed to me by a lot of husband clients who I consult. They are victims of offenses of several kinds: defamation, extortion, intimidation, harassment, just to name a few. And they come and say, I want an FIR registered. And I say that whoever is saying I'll get an FIR registered, because I see this happening a lot of times, right? It's very unfortunate. Lawyers tell their clients, give me the fees. I know somebody in the police department. I will get FIR registered against the wife and her family members. And then you see what will happen. And unfortunately, I've seen this happen hundreds of times. They'll take the money to get the FIR registered. They'll, file the complaint with the police station. After a couple of weeks, they'll say, oh, there was pressure from above. The FIR could not be registered by my contact. So we'll go to court now to get the FIR registered, which is basically you moving an application for seeking the court's direction to register an FIR against the opponent, in this case, the wife and her family members. And I'll tell you what happens in these cases as well. The court does not tell the police to register FIR, right? What happens is the courts, after spending almost 6 to 24 months on that application of yours, will ultimately say, all the evidence is anyways with the husband and his family members, whoever the witness is. So let me treat this application for registering of FIR as a private complaint, and let me straight away call the husband and his family members to testify against the wife, and then we'll summon the wife if there is enough of a case. I say to husband clients who ask me this question, why not bypass this 6 to 24 month affair and then pay for the bribes to the cops, which anyways it will not be successful. Bypass all of this and go and straight away file what is called a private complaint before the court of the magistrate, where none of the gender bias is there, where the police need not be begged or bribed. You can straight away file your private complaint before the magistrate court, testify, get summons issued against the wife and her family members if you're a victim of any offense, right? A lot of examples are defamation, intimidation, extortion, maybe hurt. Do that instead of, oh, I know a police officer, I'll get the FIR registered. And I say to whoever hack of a lawyer says that I know this police officer, I will get it done. You ask them, how many FIRs have you gotten registered against a wife and her family members? And if you have, why not show me a copy of such FIR that you did get registered, right? And if they say, no, we'll go to the court and we'll get an FIR registered, ask them, show me a copy of what FIR you've gotten registered through a court order against a wife or her family members. And you will get your answer.